Hello guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Now if you have not taken the time to do so already, do me a big favor and please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out a lot, and also let me know that you're liking the videos. Speaking of videos, go and take a look at some of our previous videos. You guys, I have videos on just about like every single topic, and we are actually expanding from there. But in today's video, let's get some inspiration for decorating with shiplapping. So as always, guys, go ahead and comment what your favorite shiplap look from this video was. I absolutely wanted to show you guys this room because it's so many different styles in one. Of course, you have the shiplapping, which is the focus of the video that we are speaking on today, but also check out all of this great craftsman type like vibes going on in this room. And then also look at the chandelier. It even has some modern flair as well. I just thought this room was so cute. I had to show it to you. As always, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye, friends.